Wey'ngane kwethu ngiyethemba ukuthi niyaphila igama lami ngumsizi. Ezivuka nazo njengamanje noma-ke evelayo ezokuthi uDali Mpofu usejoyine iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe. Sizole iclip la esikhulumela khona ngifisa ukuthi ngizwe umbono wakho novo lwakho after ukulalela le clip.
A lot of soul searching. Yeah, I've taken a decision that I will be joining MK. And as I say, I'm joining MK because I believe that it is the vehicle through which we will achieve the much needed black and progressive unity. No, I haven't, to be fair, and I have tried to reach out to him, but it's not. There's no need to inform anyone at any particular time. I'm sure there's no bad blood, so we will talk.
As a courtesy?
Yes, as a courtesy, I'll extend that courtesy even after this announcement, and I'm sure that our paths will meet in this journey, this difficult journey for unity. And so, as I say, there's nothing personal in this at all. It's not anything that is being done against a particular person. It's something I'm doing for my people.